Alrighty guys, welcome back to another trade recap video. So just gonna go over what trade I took today. Today is Monday, December 2nd. So pretty simple day, nothing too crazy, especially coming into December, and on a Monday this was some pretty decent price action to say the least. But yeah, low volume, nothing crazy. So let's just go and get started here on the 1 hour. So first of all, what we can notice here, see if we can zoom in just enough so you guys can see it. Okay, so first things first, what happens here, right? We have this low here from Friday, right? So basically this low from Friday was taken on NQ, not on ES. So we had a bullish SMT here inside of this gap here as well on ES, and then also respecting this, what is this, the new day opening gap from Wednesday, come down and respect it, put in the low here, previous day's low, and just pretty much shoot up off of that on Friday. And then now from today, or at least from London session and Asia session from yesterday, we pretty much accumulate in this little range here. And what happens here is we run this low here at 2 a.m. with the 5 a.m. low. And if you look, the 2 a.m. low on ES was not ran. So we had a bullish SMT there while ES was respecting previous day equilibrium. Okay, keep in mind, here's the midnight opening price. We trade below the midnight opening price. All right, so we're in a price-based discount and a time-based discount, both on NQ and ES. We get that SMT followed by a displacement. So now what am I waiting for? Obviously, I'm waiting for 9:30 to open. All right, so we come back down to the 1 minute time frame and we wait for the 9:30 to open. So here's our 9:30 opening price, right? We open, we manipulate lower slightly, right? This candle here, 9:30. So we manipulate inside this gap here, and we trade below this 928 low on NQ, okay? And we do not trade below that same low on ES. So we also have a 1 minute SMT there. Small SMT, still valid, right? So you technically could have longed off of this, but the way I trade, not enough confluences for me to just enter off of something like that on an eval. Sure, I would do something like that, but just for live accounts, I like to wait for A+. This wasn't entirely A+, but it followed the basic direction of where I wanted to see price go. Besides, the only issue that was holding me back from risking more today was just the fact that we actually ran this high on ES and failed to on NQ. So I just thought we would just have that sort of SMT, so longs wouldn't really be the move, more long term, but at least for today it showed its hand, and we took the opportunity and just took the long. So after that happened, right, 9:30 opens here, so we get that manipulation lower and we trade above the high on the hourly time frame here, right? So we trade above the high with massive displacement. We put in the low and trade up, huge displacement, right? Trade lower, put in a high here, and now what I'm watching here is this 5 minute. Right, so we have this 5 minute gap here that we tap into. So if I put a line here, go back down to the 1 minute, this is our 5 minute tap here, and this leg that manipulates lower into that key level, while also, if you notice here, at 9:44, we actually come down and take the 9:30 low on ES, but not on NQ. So we have an SMT here with that low. Key level hit, SMT, 5 minute, right? And then we get this inversion here. Oh yeah, let me, executions. So we have this here, we get the closure, I wait for a small retrace, I get in there at 127. All right, and then I take a partial off at this high here, because I'm still concerned about that bearish SMT, right? Even though price is bullish, I still want to just be careful. I moved my stop to break even as soon as that got hit. I ended up moving my stop to break even, and then I took the rest off after this high was put in, which is where I took off the rest of my position. And of course, right after that, we come back down, which would have been my break even, and then immediately trade all the way back up to the range. So that was pretty much everything that I did today in terms of this trade, but small day, made just about $1,500 today across the 11 accounts. So nothing too crazy, but yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. Also stay tuned for the YouTube videos. There's going to be some pretty cool bootcamp videos coming out, a lot of education for you guys. It's going to be coming out for free, so make sure to stay alert for that, and make sure to go and join the free Discord. I called out today's price action. I'll go ahead and show you. You'll notice that morning, looking at this 4 hour gaps, our condition coming into the morning. If we displace through it, I'll be more long biased, but if you respect it, bears down the equal lows. So we ended up having some very, very heavy displacement this morning at the open. Yep, I'll leave you guys with that. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. My name is Alex. I've been trading for about 2 years, and you know, this is just what I like doing with my life. So yeah, go ahead and join that, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.